Hello my friends, Rachel Archelaus here, founder of the Intuitive Art Academy, and I just got my first iPad. I'm a little late, I know, but I was wondering, can you do intuitive art with Procreate? That is the most popular drawing app I've ever heard of, and everyone told me to get it, and it's amazing. But to do our method of intuitive art, you close your eyes to pick the color. So basically, I didn't see any way that I could close my eyes and pick a color on this. And then I found out. It's really, really simple. You may already be doing this. All you need to do is click on the color palette and then move it so that it stays put. Now, you can pick any color within there and make whatever marks you want. And I put this inner ring to where the color was most saturated, so that way I was getting a clear color. So let's check this out. So if I click there, I'm going to get orange. If I click here, I'm going to get green. If I click here, I'm going to get blue. Whereas if you have it in some other setting, the color could be just gray. So make sure you move your color to the saturated clear value. And now it might take some getting used to, but you can click. You can know approximately where your palette is and click in the ring and do your intuitive art and then decode right here. So after I made my art, I just chose like a pen to write down the meaning and I put it right in here. So yes, you can do intuitive art in Procreate. It might take a little bit of adjustment, but it can be done and it is so convenient, right? For me, usually when I'm traveling, I will bring a pack of crayons instead of my pastels because it's cleaner, it's easier to travel with. But with this, I don't even need that. So, man, technology is amazing, and to your clarity, go forth and conquer. See you soon.